Hey everybody, it's HAWA, and I'm in the studio and I was painting, and I'm gonna do this really cool controlled pour painting, and I thought, oh, I should film this, and of course, artist brain, I'm not ready, and then there's a shadow. Okay, hey, look, let me fix all that real quick, and I don't know, let's paint a mountain.
Okay, well, I'll try not to talk too much through the whole thing. So here I am, I'm deciding. In this type of painting, you do it in stripes almost of paint. You lay paint down in the way that you want it to come back up through itself. So your heavier paints, which is this blue at the bottom, this blue color, the mountain blue I call it, is the heaviest paint. I put the gold and the, looks like raw sienna down underneath that, so that, as you can see, when you drag your knife through gently, it's a very gentle thing, then you can see those structures come popping right out of that mountain. And here I'm just using a ribbon technique, and it's my favorite way to pour a fast, beautiful, complicated foreground. So you would mix your paint as you normally would for a ribbon pour. In this particular thing, you want to have your darkest colors at the bottom so that they come out last, and you want to have a big volume of the dark color at the top. So here we are, we're kind of just examining the whole thing. In this pour painting style, you never tilt the canvas, and you use a lot of knives. I like these big ones. They're made for oil painting. I also use them in the oil paintings. And what we're doing here is we're just looking for the ribbons that we think have the most interest to create even one more layer of hills, grassy knolls. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Oh my God. It's so cool. And as the paint weights move across and over each other, that's what creates the selling. There's no need to torch it or use any kind of, silicone bases that can sometimes prevent you from being able to resin correctly at the end. So in this way, you can get the cell work happening exactly where you want it. And it creates these fantastic landscape effects. I'm a landscape painter, and an oil painter by trade. And this type of work is so fast and intuitive. It's all moving the whole entire time. All the weight of the paint is on this canvas and puddles, basically. And it's all continually moving. You can see that the mountain above has kind of shortened, because the weight of the black paint is very heavy. So we're going to cut in a horizon line, a definite horizon line here. And you want to make sure that you laid that paint, see, on top of the very lowest layer of your mountain, because everything you need is in the paint. Look at that. Look at that. And so you're just breaking this surface tension and allowing the paint underneath to do its magic. Oh my God. Yummy. And if you are a resin artist, or if you're interested in resin work, your paintings, this is fabulous because, oh my God, when they resin them, I got lost looking at the paint, sorry, artist brain. When you resin them, you get the depth of all of the metallics or anything like that you put in the paint itself. And they really pop. And I'm sorry about the shadow. And here we go. So you just kind of play with it and futz with it. And when you're moving your knife, you can drop the paint off. You'll see me do it a lot of times, just right here. You can just drop it off by lifting the back of the knife and just to the tip, and the paint will stop right there. Here, I'll do it again. Just like that. So you can, I call it dropping it off. And then, you know, you're always wiping your knife off camera, of course. But there we go. I think that's pretty good. There might be a few more little things here and there, but that is a controlled pour painting. And here it is in better light without all the shadows. It turned out really pretty, huh? That's an exciting sky in foreground. And the cells are really popping in there. So it's gonna turn out really pretty, I think. Can't wait to see those hillsides dry. I hope that light, we get to keep that light, because that looks really cool. And that is a wrap. Yay! Okay, love ya. Bye.